Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off the daily digest on your email settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings. Now click manage emails, and now here you will find daily digest. Click on it like this, and this will be turned on. And if you want to turn it off, just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.